Women's movement. As we all know, the situation of women was not so favorable in our nation in the past. There are so many movements happen to improve the situation and the condition of women. Maybe it's the education, or you can say the political participation, or the rights that women should get in our society. So we will discuss about the important movements that are carried out for the welfare of the women in our society. Also the people who are involved in such kind of important movement. The names we already know, like Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, or you can say even the Mahatma Gandhi also, Savitribai Phule. These are the important person who brought a big change in the situation that women are also considered as the equal member of the society. Maybe even they didn't got the voting power in the past. The most of the problem are with the dowry system, sati pratha. So these systems has been now be changed and had been improved a lot. In the pre-independence period, progressive men, few educated men who had done a change in society, tried to bring the awareness in the society that regards with the women. In the pre-independence period, progressive men in India initiated the women's movement. Initiated means started. The women's movement aimed at eliminating injustice against women and ending their exploitation. So the aim of starting such kind of movement was to eliminate. Eliminate means to remove the injustice or the exploitation that happens with the woman in the society. And ending their exploitation help to lead a respectable life and participate actively in social life. So if we can eliminate such issues from the society, then women can also have a respectable life in the society and they can also be treated as equally. People like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Savitri Bai Phule, Maharshi Dondos Keshav Karve, Pandita Ramabai Ranade took initiative in ending the practice of sati and child marriages. So these are the few issues that we had seen in the past. The issue of child marriage, the issue of sati. So these things had been stopped from the culture. Reforms such as the widow remarriage. What are reforms? The changes. As we all know, widow remarriage was not allowed in the past, but women are not getting the rights which they have. Now the situation has been changed. Now a widow can also have a second marriage, or you can say a remarriage after the death of her husband. Reforms such as the widow remarriage, women education and right to vote to women were possible due to the work of this reformist. What a reformist? The person or the leader who brings change or the reforms, they are called as reformist. Like the person who are involved in any activity, they are called as activist. After independence, the constitution gave equal right to women in all field. As we all know, in our country, every step or every law has depend upon the constitution, and everything is mentioned in the constitution. So with the help of constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar tried to bring equality in the society, so that the people who belongs to the lower caste or the women's, they should also get an equal status in the society. After independence, the constitution gave equal rights to women in all fields. In spite of this, women were not treated equally in several fields. During this period, women's movement aimed at freedom of women. The movement demanded that the women should be treated as human beings. So after the constitution also, there are few culture or community or society that not giving the woman as equal treatment. So there had been certain kind of movement that carried out to bring a change in the society. In the latter period, women participated to a great extent. Extent means level in the movements against corruption, caste discrimination and religious extremism. What do you mean by discrimination? Discrimination means the differences. So at different period, at different views, women also participated in such kind of important movement. Even women have participated extensively in our freedom struggle. We have so many names like Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. We have Mahatma Gandhi's wife Kasturba Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu. So many leaders also participate during in the fight of freedom struggle. So not only the freedom struggle, even every part women played a very important role, right? And religious exorcism which made them aware of injustice against their own self. Religious exorcism in when there is a so much concept of regionalism, when people give more important to their religion, give more important to their community, so the problem arises many times. So at that moment also women face this situation and they stand against such kind of situation and they raise their voice to get an equal opportunity in the society. Women started taking initiative in organizing against injustice. So you can see there are so many different organizations also established to support the welfare of the women, or where women also they have their own stand. In India, women's movement is not homogeneous in nature. What is the homogeneous? Same. In India, if you see, the movement is not same throughout the country. Somewhere it's bit high, somewhere it's bit low. However, women's movement at various levels are taking up the issues like women's health, social security, financial independence, and empowerment. So these are the few things that women are fighting in our day-to-day life to get justice, to get equal treatment, or you can say the women empowerment. What is empowerment? Empowerment means providing power, because women are also an important member of the society, so they should not be neglected. They should also get an equal status and equal value in every field. Today women's movement face the challenge of equal education for women. So today also we had a certain kind of challenges like equal education for women and giving women a status and prestige as women. What is prestige? Prestige means a respect, a value in the society. Okay, so this was the important movement that happens in the past for the welfare of the women. Today also we are surrounded in every field by the women, maybe our mother, maybe our sister, our teachers, our friends. So it's our responsibility to give them a equal treatment and to respect them at every point of view, because they also are the equal member of the society. Correct? So in the green box, we have a person named Rajendra Singh Rana. He was also known as the waterman. What kind of work he has done? He had brought a change in the society where he had aware the people, created awareness to save the water, to preserve the water. As we all know, the water plays a very important role in human life. Not only in human life, you can say in the living life, right? Everyone needs water to grow. Even the plants, animal, our agriculture is also based on the water. So with his awareness, with his activities, even the rivers which were dried up, they are renewed, revived. जो नदियाँ होती सूख गई हैं, जिसमें पानी का फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, बट क्योंकि प्रॉपर बारिश नहीं हो रही है, प्रॉपर हम पानी को सेव नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर हम इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएं तो जो नदियाँ हमारी सूख गई हैं उसमें भी पानी आने के चांसेस होते हैं. ऐसा कुछ ये राजेंद्र सिंह राणा ने प्रूव किया बाय बिल्डिंग दी thousands of johars in different parts of Rajasthan. Johar is a kind of small wells where we can store the water. As we all know, in the few parts of Rajasthan, they don't have a proper rainfall. Even at the different parts of the country, we have the rainfall only for the 3 to 4 months. Dr. Rajendra Singh Rana, also known as Waterman of India, has brought water revolution in Rajasthan. He became famous because of building thousands of johars. In Rajasthan, he revived rivers in desert of Rajasthan. Revived means you can say a revival, renew, reborn. जो नदियाँ सूख गई थी फिर से उसमें पानी बहने लगे. He formed an organization named Tarun Bharat Sangh, which worked for building 11,000 johars in hundreds of villages. All over India, he started a campaign for water conservation. Campaign, you can say a kind of activity, a awareness activity in the society that we will aware the people about the issue, right? All over India, he started a campaign for water conservation, revival of rivers, forest conservation, and wildlife conservation. Yes, it is very much important. We need proper ecological system in our environment. His social movement is active for last 31 years. He won the Stockholm Water Prize, an award known as the Nobel Prize for the water. As we all know, Nobel Prize given to the person who done a good thing for the society, and Nobel Prize is considered as the one of the superior prize for the person who are working in the society. So in the same way, Mr. Rajendra Singh Rana got an Stockholm Award related to the water project, or what were the due to his campaign. So as we all know, Stockholm is a very important place. It's in Sweden, that always raise their voice for the environment or the ecological balance. Next is environment movement. When we're talking about the environment, so it is very much important to protect our environment. So for the environment also, we can see there are so many movements are going on, like go green, right? We always see the clean city, green city. So these are the few movements that had been started to make our environment much better. As we all know, due to the climatic changes, the situation of the environment is not so favorable. We are aware that environmental degradation is a serious problem at national and international level. As we all know, the environmental degradation, we know that degradation, it's getting destroyed day by day. The quality of the air, the quality of environment is getting degraded. So it's our responsibility to protect our forest, to protect the animal life, to maintain the ecological balance. We are aware that environmental degradation is a serious problem at national and international level. At the international level, several movements are working to stop the deterioration of the environment. Deterioration means the destruction, the decreasing value, or the decreasing quality of the environment. We see a significant international cooperation in this field. Significant means important. In India, many movements are working on different aspects of environment. So in India, there are so many different movements also working in relate with the environment. The environment movements are taking up issues like protection of biodiversity, protecting different sources of water, protection of forest, green belt. Green belt means we need to create a proper ecological balance, greenery. Pollution of rivers, yes, it is a very big challenge nowadays. Our rivers are getting polluted, so it's a very much problem for those who are depend upon the river water for drinking. They are not getting the proper water. Use of chemicals and their ill effects, etc. As we know now, the crops are growing with the help of chemical fertilizers, and even so many industries, the wastage of those industries are directly thrown out on the rivers. So these things should be stopped. Consumer movement. So if we say we are the common people and we are the consumer, we buy the product, we use the product, right? So it's our rights to get a proper or genuine product. If you see, on every packet there is a certain kind of licensing number, and even a trademark also. There are different food license, there are different medicinal licenses. So on the basis of that, it's a responsibility to get a good quality of grains, good quality of food, or good quality of medicine, right? And there are so many movements also started by the government to raise the awareness among the people. Like we had seen so a very common movement called Jago Grahak Jago. What does mean Grahak? We are Grahak, we are consumer. Jago means be aware, know your rights. For example, if you buy something in India, on every product we have a MRP. What does the MRP stands for? Maximum retail price, right? For example, if the MRP is 95 rupees and you had given the shop owner or the shopkeeper the 100 rupees, so you are liable to get a change of 5 rupees, right? They will return you. But in the case if they said that कि भाई छुट्टा नहीं है आप जाओ, या फिर 95 था ना 100 हो गया, no, it's wrong. You have the right, you can complain against the shopkeeper. Many times when you buy the cold drinks, you had seen that things basically during the time of summer. When we buy the cold drinks, if the price of the cold drink 65 rupees, then shopkeeper takes 70 rupees saying that भाई इसको ठंडा करने का चार्ज लगेगा. No, MRP is 65, then you should give it at this 65. Not only cold drink, not only any toothpaste or not only product, every product. So in India, we have a fixed price that mentioned on the product. It also says inclusive of all tax. It means सब कुछ already paid है, आपको सिर्फ उतना ही amount paid करना है. right? Consumer movement emerged. Emerged means started, begin in India after the Consumer Protection Act came into the existence in 1986. So in 1986, government introduced the Consumer Protection Act. This movement has a broad objective. Broad means huge, right? Objective means aim, because government want equal rights for the consumer. The movement believes that each member of the society is a consumer. Yes, we all are consumer. We are buying something, we are using something, right? Due to the changing nature of social and economic system, consumer face different problems. Adulteration. What do you mean adulteration? Adulteration means mixing. And due to the mixing, the quality of the product get deteriorated. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना मिलावट होना. आपने देखा है बहुत बार, हम देखते हैं टीवीज में, मूवी में भी देखते हैं कि जैसे एडिंग वाटर इनटू मिल्क और मैनी टाइम एडिंग स्टोन्स इनटू द ग्रेन्स. So it is called the adulteration. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना मिलावट. Increase cost of item. Many times we see the shopkeeper, they give the price, they take more than the price. Fraud in weights. Many times we have seen the fraud in the weights. जो measurement के scales होते हैं वो proper नहीं होते हैं. Remember we had seen in the movie Nayak, the Anil Kapoor's movie, how that shopkeeper, the ration shop owner, he had replaced a magnet. राइट. सो जिससे क्या होता है, बैलेंस बराबर नहीं होता है. सो इट इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉड एंड मेजर्स आर सम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स. द कंज्यूमर मूवमेंट वर्क्स टू प्रोटेक्ट कंज्यूमर फ्रॉम सच टाइप ऑफ फ्रॉड्स. सो दैट्स वाई द कंज्यूमर मूवमेंट हैज बीन मेड टू प्रोटेक्ट us from the frauds, or you can say cheating. The movement increased the participation of people in public life. The post 1980 movements are called neo-social movements as their nature is different from the earlier movements. The movement from 1980, they have a different from the previous one. These movements are issue based. It means they try to organize issue based mass movement. So after that they are trying to make the movement more specific on which issue they had started their movement. Understood? The consumer movement, we are consumer, it's our right to get a proper genuine product, correct? Many times we take the bills, it's our responsibility to take the bill so that we should get a certain kind of surety or the guarantee, warranty according on that product, correct? Many times you buy something online, then you have the right to return it if the product is not genuine or it's not proper or it's a defective. So in this way we have our own rights. So let's do the exercise. Dash is the main demand of farmers movement. There are so many demands of the farmer, but the main important demand of the farmer is to get the right price for agriculture product, right? Option B. Next, to increase agriculture production and become self-sufficient with regards to food grain, Dash was initiated. Which revolution was started? Revolution called Green Revolution, right? Write a short note on tribal movement. On the page number 93, we had about the tribal movement, correct? Then we have the workers movement, the union, different trade union, they are working for the workers movement. So we can write the short notes on it. Explain the following question in brief. Explain the activities or the role function of environmental movement. So what are the different activities, the role? So you can give the answer by your own. You had seen so many movements. Nowadays we are planning the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that our city should be clean, environment should be clean, pollution should be stopped. Many times you have seen government create so much awareness that we should stop our vehicle on the signals, right? And we had also seen that government had ordered not to use crackers during the festivals, but it creates pollution. There are proper checks of the vehicle, they do not create much pollution. Even the proper check of the industries, factories, their outlets, chimneys. Explain the nature of farmers movement in India. As we know the situation of the farmers, so we are well aware of the farmers movement. Many times see the farmers protest on the roads or sometimes on the railway track to get their demand be completed, right? Many times we have seen so many dairy farmers, they are dealing with the dairy work, they are doing protest by pouring their milk on the road. This is a kind of protest. For which reform were the women's movement in the pre-independence period fighting? If you talk about pre-independence, we have a widow remarriage issue, we have a dowry system, we have a sati pratha, so even the education issue, right? Even the not equal right for the voting. Explain the following statement by giving the reasons. Movements are important in democracy. Yes, it is very much important. With the help of movement, we can raise our voice, we can demand for our needs, we can show our problem. So it's very much important. Movements do not need a strong leadership. No, it's wrong. Movement need a strong leadership, right? Without a strong leadership, we can't fulfill our demands, we can't fulfill our needs. We need a proper planning. Consumer movement came into existence. Yes, this is very much important. Consumer movement came to existence so that every consumer should get a proper right, proper good, proper facility, because we are paying, right? Many times you had heard now, consumer is a king, correct? So when we are paying that, we are liable to get a good product, good food. When we go to the restaurant, we need a proper hygiene, proper food. आप अगर रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो खाना खाने के लिए, आपको 2 दिन पहले का खाना देंगे तो आप एक्सेप्ट करोगे? नहीं करोगे. इट्स अवर राइट, correct? So these things had played a very important role in the society. So movements are very much important. But make sure that movement should be in a proper or systematic way. It's not create any kind of violence or any kind of problem to the system or the common people also. So in this way, we had learned about the important aspects of the movement. Understood, everyone? Great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Go through the chapter, read the entire chapter, watch the video, understand it. Any doubt, mark it. Thank you so much.